151 species in genus Calliandra. October 31st. Calliandra, the powder puff tree, defines October 31st. Calliandra symbolizes vibrancy and creativity. You bring excitement and innovation to every situation. Like its dazzling flowers, your energy is infectious. Calliandra, a love affair with powder puffs. My name is Ferb Vu, and I have a confession. I'm utterly smitten with a genus of plants. Not just any plants, mind you. I'm talking about Calliandra from the Fabaceae family, those captivating shrubs and trees known for their vibrant, powder puff blossoms. Perhaps it's their whimsical appearance, like something out of a Dr. Seuss book. Or maybe it's the sheer variety they offer, with over 140 species scattered across the tropical and subtropical Americas. Whatever the reason, I find myself drawn to their unique beauty and fascinating diversity. A kaleidoscope of colors. One of the things I adore most about Calliandra is the incredible range of colors their flowers display. From the fiery reds of Calliandra hematocephala, red powder puff, to the delicate pinks of Calliandra surinamensis, pink powder puff, there's a Calliandra to suit every taste. And let's not forget the stunning white blooms of Calliandra portoricensis, white powder puff, which resemble fluffy clouds against the backdrop of lush green foliage. But the visual feast doesn't stop there. The stamens, those slender filaments that give the flowers their powder puff appearance, also come in a variety of hues. Some are a deep crimson, others a sunny yellow, and still others a vibrant purple. It's like Mother Nature took her paintbrush and went wild, creating a masterpiece of color and texture. A botanical tapestry. Calliandra is a diverse genus, with species ranging from small shrubs to towering trees. Some, like Calliandra californica, Baja fairy duster, are native to arid regions and thrive in dry, rocky soil. Others, like Calliandra angustifolia, false mesquite, prefer the humid conditions of rainforests. This adaptability is part of what makes Calliandra so fascinating to me. It's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While their beauty is undeniable, Calliandra plants offer more than just aesthetics. Many species have practical uses, serving as valuable resources for both humans and animals. Some, like Calliandra calathursis, are used for firewood and timber. Others, like Calliandra angustifolia, have medicinal properties and are used to treat various ailments. Calliandra also plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Their flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, while their seeds provide food for birds and small mammals. In some regions, Calliandra is used for reforestation efforts, helping to restore degraded land and prevent soil erosion. A lifelong passion. My fascination with Calliandra started as a simple appreciation for their beauty, but it has blossomed into a deeper connection. I'm continually amazed by their diversity, resilience, and ecological importance. Whether I'm admiring their vibrant blooms in a botanical garden or learning about their traditional uses in different cultures, Calliandra never ceases to captivate me. I believe that plants like Calliandra have much to teach us. They remind us of the interconnectedness of life, the importance of biodiversity, and the power of nature to inspire and heal. As I continue to explore the world of Calliandra, I'm filled with a sense of wonder and gratitude for these remarkable plants.